Join our WhatsApp community and become a part of our super cool live hobby classes. Link is in the description.
Welcome to a new series by Camp K12 called Musicians of the Future, where I'm going to show you how to make your dreams come true. Have you always wanted to be on stage, performing, singing in front of people, playing the guitar, rapping a little bit and doing some DJ? Well, let me tell you that it's never been any easier than ever before to become a musician, and I'll tell you why. Can you guess? Technology, coding, engineering has created such deep-rooted networks between anybody in the world that an artist can find their fan base, can find merchandise, and can find businesses that will make them succeed. So let's get into the step-by-step process on how you will learn to be a musician yourself. So there are 3 things that you need to be able to do to become an artist and a musician. Number 1, singing. Number 2, performing. And number 3, writing. Let's get into the first one, singing. Have you ever been told, hey, don't sing, leave it to the professionals, leave it to the talented people? It isn't true. Anybody can sing, and the fact that you can speak proves it. Remember, to be able to learn to sing, you need to be able to do 2 things. Now do it with me. You need to be able to chant like this. Oh. See how long I did that? And you need to be able to howl. Oh. If you know how to do these 2 things, you should be able to sing pretty soon by some practice. Let's get into the second part of it, which is performing. Now, singing is great, but you do need music to accompany you. So let me show you a little bit of a performance, and this is the guitar where I'm going to play something called chords. Remember that? Because we're going to be learning chords pretty soon. So let's take the example of different kinds of chords. Let's say this is chord 1. Sounds like this. This is chord 2. Sounds like this. And this is chord 3. Sounds like this. Let's see how it sounds when you perform it together. The same chords can be performed differently on the guitar and any other instrument, and it can sound like this. And also, you can play really melodic, beautiful tunes with these chords. Sounds like this. Alright, and now let's come into the third part, which is writing. Many musicians miss out on writing. Why? Because they always take songs that are popular and want to sing it. However, I want you to know that unless you start writing your own music, you won't tell your own story. And the people who truly love you won't know who you are until you express to them what you are through your songs. So let me share the story. Can you see the sun coming out? Oh my goodness, it's hot. Let's write a song about the sun. I'm going to take some random words and I'm going to put it on the chords over here. The sun just came out and I'm sweating in the heat. I want to write a song for you so you know how to write your own beats. Did you see how I did that? This was a song I wrote just now for you. And there are 2 parts to writing. First, you got to truly express and write the lyrics that you want to tell the world. And the other part is using your chords to find a melody, a tune that you want to sing and win the hearts of the people that you are performing your song for. So all the best. I'm going to be telling you a lot more secrets about instruments, about how to sing songs, about how to find your own customer base, your own fans who are going to love your music. Until then, I see you, love you, bye-bye.
If you enjoyed the video, then drop a like and comment. And also make sure that you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever a new video comes out.